Hi guys, do you want to know how to copy Facebook page link using PC? Watch this step-by-step tutorial. Alright, let's get started after this intro. First, you open Google and type facebook.com. If you are not logged in to your Facebook profile, please log in first. Once you are logged in to your Facebook profile, tap on your profile photo in the upper right side to select the page you want to copy the link to. Once you are on your Facebook page, click on your profile photo or logo on the upper left side to go to your page timeline. And what you can see above, this is your page link. All you have to do is copy it. For example, I will post this on my Facebook profile. Okay, I'll go back to my profile first. And now I will paste the page link that I copied. That's it. I have posted the link of my page. So, it's that simple. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe now. And if you want to know how to copy a Facebook page link using a mobile phone, click on the video on the screen. Alright, thanks for watching. God bless, and always remember, live, learn, inspire, value, and enjoy life.